right, so we have IOP over here, which is IOP stands for Isle of Palms.
Goat Island.
Goat Island over here.
Where's Dewey Island?
We're gonna, I'll pass you. Dewey's is a little ways up.
And where are we going? Macaulay-ville?
We're going to McClellanville, which is, we're gonna go to dock our boat on Jeremy Creek, which is an old shrimp village.
Hell yeah.